Hello.
Hello,
What is your name?
my name Hannah.
Hannah, how are you today?
I'm happy.
How old are you, Hannah? I'm
6 years old.
okay. Let's proceed for here, Anna or Hannah. All right. Look at this picture. They are at the beach. All right, wherein the boy is fishing. All right, Hannah. What is the boy doing?
Swim.
Okay. Can you swim, Hannah? Yes or no? Yes or no?
No.
Okay, no. All right. How many fish are there, Hannah? How many fish you say?
2 fish.
Okay. Are there 5 boys in the picture? Yes or no?
No.
Okay, let's count. Hannah. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, there are 6 boys in the picture. Now, what animal is it?
Elephant.
Okay, it's an elephant. Okay, you say it's an elephant.
It's an elephant.
Okay, what word
Food.
starts? Wow, food. All right. Now, what can the kangaroo do?
Yum.
Jump. What are they, Hannah?
Insect.
Insects. And how many insects are there?
3 insect.
3 insects. All right. So now, Peter is at the shop and there are many fruits. Hannah, where is the banana? Okay. Now, how many apples do you see?
I see 2 apples.
Now, what is the boys doing? What's the boys doing? Is it eating or drinking? Say
Is
eating. All right. Now, are there 4 cakes in the picture? Yes or no?
no.
All right. Now, at this point, how does the girl feel?
Happy.
She's happy. Now, what food do you like? What food do you like? I like.
I like
What food do you like? I like.
apple.
You like apple. Okay. How many oranges do you see?
1 orange.
All right. So that's all for today. Hannah, goodbye and thank you.
Goodbye, teacher.
All right.